Hi, this is an introduction to our Google Drives that I just set up for the curriculum. If you log into Gmail and then go to the little boxes here and go to Drive, when you go to your Drive, you should see something shared with you. So if I go to Shared With Me, mine right now shows the entire high school folder. You probably will just see one of these internal folders here, and I tried to set one up for each one of the departments, and each one of those departments also has read and write access to everything inside that folder, giving us one place to store our curriculums as we're working on them. You can keep them there the entire time so that other people can view any of the documents you have. So I'm going to click on Business Computers where my stuff's going to go. Now, you see that it says drop files here. I can make new files right here in this folder, or I can drop them right here in this folder. So I'm going to go to one that I've already got set up. This is my computer map from 2005, and I'm just going to drag that right here into there, and now that file is uploading into that Google Drive. Now by default it's a Word document, and I can't edit a Word document, so if I double click on it, it doesn't have the ability to edit, but I can go right here and say open with Google Docs, and now it's going to convert that into a document that now can be edited on Google by myself and the rest of my team because it's in that folder. So I might want to change this to Computer 1 2005 map, just so it's clear what it is. And now when I close this out, I go back here and we see this Computer 1 2005 map, and everybody that has access to business computers, which right now is me, Mr. Wassam, and Mr. Wendell, can just click on that and would be able to see and edit that map that I've got from back in 2005 when we did this before, and the things that I covered in Computer 1's back then. And this is kind of the overview one that we were looking at in class today, but that's all you have to do to put something into that folder. If I wanted to now, I could, since the Word document really is useless now, I could right click and just say remove, and now the only thing in there is that one folder, realizing that as having read and write access, don't delete somebody else's stuff. If you do edit somebody else's stuff, we can always revert to an unedited one. If Bob goes and puts the template in here, you'll be able to just right click on there and say make a copy, and then you'd have a copy of one that then you could edit that one, and I could rename that if I wanted to. If this was the right one of Bob's, I can rename that Computer Hardware. And now I've got a new document. I'm going to take it all the way out. Now I've got a new document based on his template that then I can edit without changing the original. Again, all I had to do on that was right click on it and say make a copy, and it makes a copy right there in that same folder. So that's all it is to using those Google folders that I just set up for everybody.